I was a counselor for abused women, and I worked with new mothers, and I was overweight and I was a smoker myself, and I had a stressful life until I realized how if I go for a run I feel better. And the more fitter I got, the more into training I got. I started little boot camps and CrossFit and boxing, and it turned my life around. And now for me, to be able to influence other people, to me is powerful. I love boxing because it's the bravest thing I've ever done. Things I'm passionate about is one, of course, my family and my children, and two, healthy lifestyle, fitness, nutrition, surrounding myself with people who are like-minded. I'm driven by ambition. I'm driven by trying to reach people, trying to encourage people to live a better life. I would love to be able to reach a lot of women through the Women's Health column, because I feel I am relevant, I am relatable, I am real. I'm as real as can be in my journey to fitness, in my life with fitness, in my struggle with fitness. These kinds of things, I think you can only fully understand if you've walked the road yourself, and this is what makes me different to the other competitors. I'm Frances Fuchs. I'm 43 years old from Somerset West. I am married to a wonderful husband and I have 3 children. I want to become the Women's Health next fitness star.